Okay, so I wish I had captured this on film. I didn't think it was going to work, but you can see it's actually already monumentally better. I think we're okay. Here, I'm gonna shift the camera over here just ever so slightly. Pause. This is some terrible filmmaking for you guys, but there we go. Shuffle my tripod down there a little bit. Okay. Yeah, this is like almost pornographic how much cleaner. Okay, reverse pornographic? I don't know how to phrase it. It's sensual how much cleanliness this gets. So it's just a little brake cleaner and just tap it. I mean, this stuff wasn't coming off earlier, but a little bit of brake cleaner and oh yeah. Yeah. And it's, guys, it's good. It's smooth. There's a little bit of a click. I want to inspect that still, but I think we're going to be successful with this. There's that spot right there. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Nice and smooth. Turn it around. There's another bad spot for you. Let you guys enjoy this. I'm not going to just sit here and revel in it. I don't know about you, but this is like almost erotic. Everyone's all grossed out hearing me moan here. All right. Yeah, that's perfect. We'll hit that again before it comes off, but it's a nice fork leg. And I'm telling you, it's blemish free. Hard to come out. It's bad lighting conditions right now. It's evening. The sun's already down, but just take my word for it. There's like no blemishes, very little blemishes at least. That was just oil from it leaking. I mean, the bike's been sitting here for a year. Not just a year, 2 years now at least. I mean, it showed up in the guy's shop like 2 years ago now. So yeah, this has been a while coming. So this is just caked on. Look at that. Oop. Sorry about that. Hold on, let's go down. I just revealed an elephant. I always like finding little Kajiva elephants on the bike. But anyway, I figured I'd share that with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and keep cleaning this stuff off, and I'll report back later.